What's up guys, I'm Gatsby. In this video I will show you how to zoom, like this, in Unity 2D. So, we have an empty Unity project like this. All I have is a camera and a sprite. You're going to want to start by clicking on your camera. Make sure its projection is set to orthographic mode. And then we're going to add a script. We're going to call this script camera zoom. And let's go ahead and open it up. So starting off, let's create a camera variable for the script. Then in the start function, let's get the camera component and assign it to camera. And then in the update function, we're going to do something very simple. We're going to let the orthographic size of the camera be changed by the input from the mouse scroll wheel. And we do it like so, with getAccessRaw from input. Okay, let's try out our solution. So technically this works, but we have a problem. It looks like shit. We can zoom way too far in to the point where we go behind the sprite, and we can also zoom way too far out, which also looks terrible. And also, the zoom itself is very snappy, and not in a good way. So 3 lines of code, you can technically have zoom, but we can do better. So we're going to start by creating a private float called zoomTarget. This will be used to control the current size which we want our camera to zoom to. We also are going to serialize 4 fields. The multiplier variable will increase the rate at which we can zoom. The min and max zoom variables are responsible for controlling the bounds of our zooming, so we can't zoom too far in or out. And both the smooth time and velocity will be used in a smoothing function, which we will use in 1 second. Important to note also, we want to set zoomTarget to be the orthographic size of the camera, and we're going to do that in the start function. That's important, don't forget that. Okay, so let's go to the update function. We will first set zoomTarget to be decreased by the product of the mouse scroll wheel value and our zoom multiplier. Then we will make sure that zoomTarget is properly constricted between our minimum and maximum zoom values. And we're going to do this by using the clamp function. Finally, we will set the camera's orthographic size using the smooth damp function. And what the smooth damp function does is removes that jitteriness that we saw earlier. And if you're wondering about the arguments, the camera's orthographic size is our current amount, our zoomTarget is our target, and velocity is for the speed, which we will just leave for 0, and smooth time is the time it roughly takes to get to that. And it's good to have that at a small value, say 0.1, 0.2, something like this. Okay, let's try it out. Looks good to me. And the beauty of serializing those fields is we can now change it. Let's say we want to zoom a little bit more strongly. Let's say we want to zoom faster. Now you can do that, and it's very easy. Let's say we want to zoom out even further. And zoom out even further. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I plan to make many more tutorial videos. Peace.